Oh yes, the yard, my kingdom. The grass, freshly peed on. The squirrels, properly terrorized. I am at peace. What is that noise? Is that a banshee? Is the sky being murdered? No, no, no. That's not right. The air is screaming. The very sky is howling. What did I do? Wait! Birds! You're still chirping. Why are you chirping? Can you not hear the sky dying above us? These birds are clearly in a cult, brainwashed, ignoring the obvious apocalypse. Typical. The humans? Where are the humans? They must know. Surely they are. Oh, they're inside, sipping coffee, laughing. I am out here in the screaming air void, and they're watching cooking shows. You, tiny feathered fool, are you not alarmed? He's just pecking the ground. We're doomed. It stopped. I'm alive. The world didn't end. You know what? I knew it. I totally had it under control. Never doubted it for a second. The birds were right. Nothing to fear. Just practice screams. Very normal. Now, if you'll excuse me,
What are you
I
guys
need to
doing?
find Lulu and tell her how we survived.